Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit the stock video on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do, open your CapCut and let's start a new project. So the stock videos can be accessed when you click new project. And where is the stock videos of the CapCut? It is here, the stock video. Just need to click it and you can explore the video that already provided by the CapCut for you. You can even looking for a specific video, for example cats, and after that you just need to go click this search button and hold on. You will find out the cat video or photo that you can use for editing. Okay, so for example, let's do it this. Hold on, and when it's already picked, just need to go click add to add this into our project. Now let's take a look first on this video. You can see we already have this cat video on our project, and the editing tools that I would like to show to you guys today is cutting this video. You can see the video here take for 25 seconds and it's too long, so I would like to cut this video. So I will let the video is start from these 9 or 10 seconds here. So the things you have to do is just make sure that this straight line is stopped in the right position that you want to, and after that you just need to go click edit and go click split. Since we want to the video start from seconds from 10 seconds, so we need to delete the rest, right? So you just need to click the rest or the previous video and go click delete. Now we already have this 16 length video. I would like to make this video stop in this point in the 9 second, so just need to do the same, click edit, go click split and delete the rest. Now we already have a short video, only 9 seconds, with the specific part that we want to this video appear. Okay, so for the next, I would like to change the ratio. I would like to make this video for TikTok, so we just need to go click this ratio, and after that go click this TikTok ratio here that provided by the CapCut, and after that you just need to go click done. Now the last thing we need to do is just go make sure that the size of the video is fulfilling all of the screen. So you just need to click the clip, and after that pinch with 2 of your finger to resizing this clip until all is fulfilling the frame. Okay, now we already have a video of cats with the TikTok ratio and full from all of the screen. So that's the way how to edit a TikTok video from a CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.